We are in the last phase of our testing. So the last thing is to put all things inside the box. You can see the box, and we are outside in the open environment, and we will move to track the locations. So here is the power bank, and here is the USB port. We will connect the USB port first, and then also insert the power bank inside the box with the help of a tape. तो अब हमने ऐसे बाइक को टेस्ट करना शुरू किया है और इसके सिग्नल आ रहे हैं और हम बाइक पे इसको टेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि ये कितनी दूर तक जाता है। और हमने इसको स्टार्ट किया है एयरपोर्ट की सोसाइटी से और ये सिग्नल ले रहा है और हम इसे देखेंगे कि ऑन ट्रैवलिंग यानी ऑन मोटरसाइकिल ऑन अ सर्टेन बाइक ये कितना एक्यूरेट है। तो हम इसे चला रहे हैं और देखते हैं कि ये कहाँ तक लेके जाता है। और बाइक चल रही है और ड्राइविंग करते वक्त मोबाइल फ़ोन इस्तेमाल नहीं करना चाहिए। तो वी विल सी हाउ इट विल गो फार ऑन बाइक। So it is on bike and it is continuously capturing the signal, and we are moving on bike from PIA Housing Society. You can see we are moving on bike from PIA Housing Society to Gulistane Johar. So here is a jump, so we will check it. You can see it is continuously giving the signal right now, and we have stopped our vehicle, and now we will test it, and we have covered the distance from airport to Johor. It's time to go home, so let us move inside and we will check about the output of this module. You can see after a short journey we have disconnected the power bank from the circuit, and this is the SD card module. I will plug out the SD card and put it inside the card reader. Now we will plug this SD card inside the card reader and put it inside our laptop. So let us start and fix this. So the light is blinking, everything is perfect. Now we are inside the computer. The file from PIA Housing Society to Gulistane Johor is ready. Now we can see this file. Now we are doing the most important and interesting thing. You can see in this file you can get the latitude. The first column is latitude, the longitude, and the third column is the date and time. It's 24 hours time, and from PIA Housing Society to Gulistane Johor we have collected around 236 data points. Now there is a very important and interesting task. We will go on our Google, and on Google we will see the tracking of all our movements. So I am going towards Google Maps, and after going towards Google Maps I will open it, and in the Google Maps tab you can click on the menu bar, and when you click on the menu bar of the Google Map you will find your places. You can click on your places, so it will take a little bit of time. In your places you will go towards the Maps tab, and after clicking the Maps tab I will click on create map at the bottom. So another tab is opened, and now in the create map I will click on this import button that will ask me about the spreadsheet, and I will upload the same Excel file from my SD card to the Google Map timeline. So I am clicking on USB drive D GPS log, and I am clicking on the open button. Now it is uploading all my journey from PIA Housing Society to Gulistane Johor, and it is asking what is the first one. I will say the first one is latitude. What is the second one? The second one is the longitude. And what is the third one? The third one is of course the time. So I will click on the continue button, and it is asking what do you want to be displayed on each data point. So I want the time and date to be displayed. So I will click on it and click on the finish button. So in Pakistan it is searching the location coordinates of mine from PIA Housing Society to Gulistane Johor. You can see that it has plotted my location exactly, and I am zooming it with the help of plus button, and you can see all my journey. You can see that in my journey I have passed from Airport Security Forces headquarters. You can see here is the PIA Township Mosque, and I was here when I started the journey from the bike, and I passed the headquarters gate. Then I also passed the Atok petrol pump. So all my journey is exactly plotted. I have passed the ASF Housing Society, and you can see I am little bit zooming it out, and you can find that Google map was exactly plotting my journey. You can see it is Habib University here. So I exactly passed the Habib University. I can also know the time. When I click on this, it will show me that on exactly 8:57 you were passing Habib University. So what is my destination? You can see I have passed this location, and after passing near these locations I have landed on Noman Grand City, which is City Bakers and Sweets, and this is the preview of my whole journey, and Google Maps and the GPS has plotted all my journey on the map. So I can see this journey on the Google map, and I can also calculate the distance because I have teach you the Haversine formula. You can write this coordinate in the Haversine formula, the initial point, and you can write this coordinate in the Haversine formula, and using the Haversine formula you can also calculate the distance from one point to another, and I can also measure the distance actually by using this formula. And in this option base map you can see the top view of all the paths I have traveled, all the roads. You can see the top view. You can see how the CA colony, Habib University, Airport Security Headquarters look like from the top. So it is the exact and beautiful and accurate plotting of all my journey. That is your project, and those students who travel more than 5 kilometers, I will give them the bonus marks. So this is one kind of a very interesting and innovative project with the help of Arduino and little bit of coding. Thank you.